Expansion adapter. Add superpowers to the super jet. What if you don't take out your garbage for a few days and it starts to pile up in your garage? Do I need to get the truck out?
No, the Super Jetta can do it. If you work on your constructing and fabricating skills, you can turn just about any vehicle into a super vehicle. This roof rack that I fabricated for the Jetta has been so useful. It's carried engines, line trimmers, dirt bike, 4x8 sheets of plywood, 12-foot fence rails, 16-foot dock posts. Princess Auto was clearing out this complete garage cabinet set. I didn't have my truck with me, but the Jetta brought it home. I used to be able to fit 8 garbage bags on my roof rack in one layer without stacking. With the
Expansion adapter.
I was able to fit 32 garbage bags in one layer without stacking. This is 38 garbage bags. I tried really hard to save up garbage bags, but sometimes saving up stinks. I'm sure I could have easily fit 46 bags. It's pretty handy anyhow to not have to get the truck out and drop off 38 garbage bags at the dumpster on the way out to work.
Add superpowers to the super jet.